Who needs flowers when you have this much color in your foliage? Hi, Tony here. I wanted to share with you a new plant that I am so excited about. I saw it as I was walking by one of the display gardens, and I had to find out what it was. I asked person after person what the name of that plant was, and I tracked it down. This is a new Coleus called El Brillianto by Proven Winners, one of the Color Blaze series. And it is brilliant, absolutely. That color is stunning, absolutely stunning. I'm going to go ahead and grow this in several different places. It's supposed to grow in sun and in shade equally well, and it's supposed to get about 3 feet tall. So I'm going to grow it in several places this season, and we'll find out how that changes the color. A lot of Coleuses, their colors alter with how much sun they're getting. They'll grow just as well in sun or shade, many of them, but the color that shows will be different. So let's see how this one is going to turn out. Either way, I love this Coleus. Even when the season is done, you can go ahead, bring this Coleus in as a house plant. As long as you do not let it finish its blooming cycle, it will continue to grow. It is a true annual, meaning once it has bloomed and set seed, it's done. It will die. That's all there is. So you can either propagate by cuttings if you have a plant that's not covered by the plant patent, or buy several plants, keep them trimmed back so they don't get a chance to flower, or just keep on getting some new ones from your local nursery. Either way, they're not very expensive. They grow really well. And who needs flowers when you have this much color in your foliage? It looks like it's flowering without there having to be flowers. You don't have to worry about fertilizer if you have enough sun. It's just gorgeous, especially for people who are in gardening in areas where they have a lot of shade. I always say, embrace the foliage. You can get so much color, things that look like they're blooming with just the color on your foliage. So shade growers, embrace that foliage. We'll see you again.